Hello there! As I've mentioned before on my channel, I am a member of the Cactus Brick Lego Club that is in Phoenix, Arizona. During a little bit before 2020 and the pandemic, I had been assigned or selected by the club to head up a large castle display to go at the 2020 Phoenix Fan Fusion. We had been working on this display for, about 8 months before the actual display was to have happened, but with COVID happening, everything got postponed and was all thrown up in the air. Before the Fan Fusion 2020 was canceled, we'd been doing all sorts of preparation work. I had organized several contests in the club to have people organize their own Lego faction. So basically they'd pick their colors, their heraldry, and make a group of Lego figures that were part of the medieval display. So whether they were the Workers Guild, the Spiders Guild, the Royal Guards, or whatever, everybody would bring their own faction. And then there would be a lot of different sections in this large display according to how much they were able to build, right? There were supposed to be originally 19 tables and a good 20 people that were going to help with this. However, in the end, with Fan Fusion 2020 not even happening, we ended up not having the display. A lot of people moved or left the club, and it eventually just didn't happen until May of 2022. COVID had finally slowed down a lot, and we were finally able to have the display. So here are some pictures of the actual display. Well, I hope you enjoyed these pictures and videos from the Lego Castle display for Cactus Brick at the 2022 Fan Fusion. It was a lot of work. There were a lot of man hours put into just building this individually and then putting it all together. I had so much that I had to put together. I was really happy to have the help of the club members assemble this. So it took many hands to do. And in the end, I think it came out pretty well. This was the one and only time that at least my portion of the display had been all seen together. I have another video on this channel where I show about half of it, and so it was nice to be able to fully display the whole thing as well as have it alongside the creations of the other club members. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.